Welcome everyone. You may be in a situation where your Xbox Series S every now and then is crashing and then it's randomly shutting off. Here's why that's happening and here's what you can do to solve the issue. So, I had this per se. I had it on my Xbox Series X though, but you know, the Series S, X, same thing. And the problem is the game I was using wasn't properly compatible. So, what I want you to do is click on the Xbox button on the controller, My Games and Apps, See All. So in my situation, I had Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War installed, and I had the Xbox One version of Black Ops Cold War installed on my Xbox Series X. And here's the thing, there is a separate version made specifically for the Series X, but I was using the different version made for the older Xbox One, and that was why I was getting the freezing and the crashing, and my Xbox would literally brick sometimes. It was kind of crazy. And so if you have a game, let's say Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, there are many examples, they will have an Xbox One version and an Xbox Series X/S version. And so you can see Halo Infinite, if you look at it, has the XS logo. That means you have the version made for your console. If it doesn't have that, like you can see Call of Duty Warzone, Black Ops 3, World at War, then you have the Xbox One version. So the first fix is if you have any Xbox One games, check if there is a Xbox Series S version available. If there is, delete the Xbox One version, install the Xbox Series S version. You shouldn't have any issues with your saves being screwed up. If that is the case, then yeah, you're going to be going through a lot of crashes. The next thing is system bugs. So if you keep your Xbox Series S just running for an extreme long time, over time the software may just give up, right? You know, at the end of the day, the best thing you can do to counter that is just to make sure you have system updates and you always have keep my console up to date. However, this thing's going to happen. So what I recommend you do is you don't leave your Xbox Series S running all the time. You turn it off every now and then. I'm not saying, you know, you're in the middle of the game, let me just turn it off real quick. No, when you finish gaming, turn off the Xbox Series S, and when you're planning on gaming, turn it back on. Also, if you are having the crashing issues, unplugging the Xbox Series S from the mains, because even if you turn it off, it doesn't actually turn off, it just goes into sleep mode. Unplugging it from the mains, so just unplug the actual power supply itself, and then give it 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn back on the Xbox Series S, and that may fix any issues you may have. If this still doesn't solve the issue, your Xbox Series S could be faulty. And if it's faulty, that's okay, because you have a year warranty from Microsoft. And if you didn't buy used and you bought new, you have in the UK 6 years of warranty. In the EU it's like 5 years. If you're in the US, you're screwed. If you're in India, you're also screwed. But if you're in the UK or the EU, you have 6 years of warranty. Search up consumer law and you'll find out about that and how to do a consumer law claim. Just do one of those. You get a free replacement Xbox Series S, no questions asked, and if they refuse to give you a replacement, you can sue them and get a lot more money than the Xbox Series S is worth. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.